Welcome, mga Katiraza Marta! Narito ang aming online house tripping video ng aming Tiraza Marta Model House Units. Simulan natin sa semi-complete townhouse unit na may laking 46 square meters lot area at 44 square meters floor area. Sa harap ay mayroong carport, fully painted exterior with Araal stoneworks, concrete canopies, at steel door. Pagpasok natin ay mayroong itong plaster finish walls and ceiling. Ito ay may cement finish flooring na. Sliding aluminum analog windows. At sa ating kitchen, ay mayroong itong ceramic tiles kitchen countertop with stainless sink and faucet. Sa likod ay makikita natin ang service area. Tignan naman natin ang ating toilet and bath. Meron itong ceramic tiles sa walls and flooring, fixed shower, water closet, at lavatory. Cement finish na rin ang ating stairs. Sa ating second floor, ito ay open space at may provision ito for 2 bedrooms. Mayroon itong sliding aluminum analog windows. Plaster finish na rin ang ating walls and ceiling. Cement finish na rin ang ating flooring. Ang ating units din ay mayroong concrete perimeter fences. Tignan naman natin ang ating complete townhouse unit na may lot area na 46 square meters at floor area na 44 square meters. Sa inyong harapan ay mayroong carport, fully painted exterior with Araal stoneworks, concrete canopies, and steel door. Pagpasok natin ay makikita natin ito ay may ceramic tiles flooring, fully painted walls with wooden baseboard, sliding aluminum analog windows, at sa kitchen natin ay granite kitchen countertop na with stainless sink and faucet na mayroong overhead and under sink kitchen cabinets. Sa likuran nito ay makikita natin ang service area. Tignan naman natin ang toilet and bath. Meron na itong fixed shower, lavatory, water closet, at naka-ceramic tiles na rin ang walls and flooring. Ang ating hagdan naman ay mayroong non-slip ceramic tiles at wooden and steel hand railings. Pag-akit natin sa second floor ay mayroong dalawang bedrooms. Pasukin natin ang bedroom 1. Ito ay may ceramic tiles flooring na at may wooden baseboard. Mayroon din itong built-in closet and cabinets at fully painted walls and ceiling. At sliding aluminum analog windows. Ang ating bedrooms ay naka-drywall partition. Silipin naman natin ang master's bedroom. Ito ay may ceramic tiles floor with wooden baseboard. Fully painted walls and ceiling. Sliding aluminum analog windows. At built-in closet and cabinets. Ito rin ay mayroong concrete perimeter fences. Silipin naman natin ang ating dress-up unit kung paano kayo mabibigyan ng idea upang mapaganda at madisenyohan ang inyong mga tahanan. Pagpasok natin ay makikita natin ang dining area, ang kitchen area, at ang living room. Sa likod ay makikita natin ang service area, at ito naman ang ating toilet and bath. Napakaganda ng ating dress-up units. Sa ating second floor, silipin natin ang master's bedroom. Ito naman ang bedroom 1, na kung saan ay pwede nyo itong gawing kids room. Ito ang Terraza Marta Malolos, located at Lucero Street, Barangay Mabolo, Malolos City, Bulacan.